So normally including grocery items and stationery items and also clothes items, whatever may be. Okay, first you will study about the process. Study means manually study. For example, the banking system or computer is that whatever. Every transaction.
Sir, every time we should go to the bank, sir. Every time we should go to the bank, sir.
Go to bank and give a challan, the cashier, and go to strong room, take one big ledger, and after return back to same place and complete the process. After the ledger can go to store, return back to store. After the process are over. But nowadays, three or four solutions are available using a mobile bank. Okay, mobile bank means the online bank. This is transfer from transaction one account to other account. Another solution, GPay. Digital transaction. GPay, PhonePe, and Paytm, whatever you do. Okay, and third solution, waiting process. So we have different categories are available based on your study about the case. After you modify your solution one by one. Okay, the same. For example, when make switch store, whatever switch wants to give the goods in your store, first enter the process. For example, you take delivery. How much quantity is it today? What is the price? Once enter, after going to selling, setting up the product. Okay, they same process. I will show it some details. So this is bucket name, ADS, Bangalore, Australia, Vidya, Place, Industrial, Smart City. So ADS is on development software on one of the example. And Australia data analysis. Yeah, data analysis for the area and maximum. Reviews for the night. But analysis for the media analytics in our how much quantity selling today? What is the result today money? For example, delivery. Okay. So empathy, difficult maintain manual and storage in store. Lot of human resources and paperwork and no time to replicate. So, not process elements from it. But I may not 10-20 pattern. So, she gets the 1 kg. Well, amount of the and the process time delay, but you probably delay. More than that, type of process and take it. That's all. About the bill, complete before the salesperson can enter into the your database based on your quantity. So these are some cases. Okay, some cases. And same problem. Little main manual association item. Storage data based on. So this is my second one. Overall problem. I am going to enter the switch shop and analyze what is going on. Suppose you go to a small tea shop. Example, you take Yadava. You take Nario. Okay, I'm not going to take it from there. But I'm going to new biggest shop right now. Maximum minimum. This is my solution to develop a mobile application for sweets item, arrival, order, and update the details sent to the app in the next stock. The next stock is update. After those already registered